you haven't been caught up to latest Blender updates in 4.2, then you should know that beside all the cool things, there have been some major shifts in the add-ons area, because if you go there now, you might get baffled with a list of only couple of add-ons shipped with Blender. So, what's up with this? You can see now over the add-ons something called Get Extensions. There, we can directly download and install any add-on from the official site. In the main page, if you go with what's new, under all those cool features, from fixing lighting and shadow to better Eevee volume or even bump calculating, there's also the Blender 4.2 new add-ons update, which now works as extensions, so I think the aim is to make it easily accessible and lighter on the vanilla version, since all the things they added are quite heavy. The extension site is there if you want to take a look. Add-ons are now submitted there, so it's directly accessed, without the need of online surfing or looking around. The free ones at least. And not many yet there, probably around a 150, but sure are enough. So from now on, you can look for the add-on you want inside Blender, install it, and run it directly. You do also need an online access, so make sure not to turn it off by mistake. Themes runs with the same method, so I don't know. Is this cool? Or you more into the old Blender way? This is but one of the Blender 4.2 updates, and we will do the other ones later, so stay tuned. And that's all for today, homies. Stay sharp. Goodbye.